Good morning, one and all, for the class. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, Introduction to Dreamweaver. Adding text and images. Now let us see how to add text and images using the Dreamweaver document. To insert a text, you have to click inside a document window and then type the content. When you press the enter, Dreamweaver automatically adds paragraph spacing. To add a line space, press Shift plus enter. Open an existing document or create a new document. Here a document called second web page. HTML opens in design view. Type some text in the document window as shown. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the property inspector for text properties. Select the text and click bold. The selected text will appear in bold. Click the page properties button to display the page properties dialog box. You can make many more changes using these options in the dialog box. Adding images. Place the cursor where you want to insert an image on the web page. The steps are: click the image button and then select the image from the menu. The Select Image Source dialog box appears. Navigate to the location of the image file. Select the image and then click OK. Alternatively, add the image using these steps. In the File panel, click the Assets tab. The folder will appear on the left side of the panel. Click the Image folder. All the image files in the folder New Website will appear. Select the desired image and drag it to the desired location in the document window. The Image Tag Accessibility Attributes dialog box will appear. You will see two fields, alternate text and the long description. Alternate text. Enter a name or brief description up to 50 characters long. Long description. Enter the location of the file here. This is displayed when the user clicks the image. You can also set the image properties in the property inspector. Width and height of the image. You can insert an image in a web page. Dreamweaver fills these text boxes with the image's original dimensions. SRC. It is the source file for the image. Link. It specifies the hyperlink for the image. Alt. It specifies the alternate text that appears in place of an image for text-only browsers. Align. It specifies the alignment of the image on the web page. Crop. It trims the size of an image by removing unwanted areas and by dragging the corner handle to resize the image. Border. It defines the width of the image border in pixels. The default value is 0 or no border. Shows the image with a 12 pixel border. Brightness and contrast. It adjusts the settings related to image, brightness and contrast. Sharpen. It adjusts the sharpness of an image. Hotspot tools. It is used to draw hotspots in various shapes on the selected image. Working with hyperlinks. A hyperlink is a word, phrase or an image which is used to click on the move or to move to a new document or a new sections within the current document. Nearly all the web pages have hyperlinks, allowing users to click and move from one web page to another. When you move the cursor over a hyperlink, whether text or image, the arrow changes to a small hand pointing at the link. When you click it, you go to a new page or to a new place in the current page. Setting text image as a hyperlink. The steps are: select the text or image you want to set as hyperlink. Click the hyperlink button on the Common tab of the insert bar. The hyperlink dialog box will appear. Click the browser button. The select file dialog box will appear. Browse to the folder that has the target document for the hyperlink and then select the file. Then click OK to return to the hyperlink dialog box. From the target menu to the hyperlink dialog box, select the window in which the target file should open. Choose the following. Blank loads the linked file in a new unnamed browser window. Parent, it loads the link file in the parent frame set or window of the frame that contains the link. Self, it loads the linked file in the same frame or window as the link. Top, it loads the linked file in the full browser window, thus removing all the frames. Enter a title for the link in the title text box. This appears in the browser window. Enter a one-letter keyboard equivalent in the access key text box. This will select the link in the browser. In the tab index text box, enter the link's number in the tab order. Click OK. The selected text or image is changed to a hyperlink. Select File Save to save the document. Press F12 or click Preview Debug in Browser to preview the page in a browser. When you click the hyperlink, the linked web page will open in the browser. Select the text or image and then drag the point to file icon. Next, named anchor links. You can link to a particular point of a web page by first creating a named anchor. A named anchor lets you to set a marker in the document, typically at the beginning of a topic or on top of a long page. Then you can create a link to the named anchor. So creating a named anchor link is a two-step process. You first create a named anchor and then you create a link to the named anchor. Following are the steps below to create a named anchor. In design view, place the cursor where you want the named anchor in the case. The cursor has been placed beside the title. Select the insert, then click on the named anchor. The named anchor dialog box appears. Then type a name for the anchor and then click on OK. Select the text that will become the hyperlink. Type the name of the named anchor along with the sign in the link text box of the property inspector. Then select File, then Save to save the file. Then press F12 to view the page in the browser. Click the named anchor text and it will move to the place where the anchor icon is set. Then close the browser. Setting the link colors. You can control the colors of the links on the web page show up in as described below. Click the page properties in the page property. The page property dialog box will appear. Then click on the link category. Set the link font and font sizes as per of your choice. You can also set the 4 colors for links: link color, visited color, rollover link and active link. Modifying the links. Right click the link text. The context menu appears. You can also change the link file to remove the link, or you can also see the contents of the link page by clicking Open Linked Page. How to add the flash buttons. Flash buttons are the images that can be hyperlinked. You can insert the flash buttons in your document to move your web page more attractive. Some of these buttons have the inbuilt animations. Place the cursor where you want to insert the flash button on the Common tab of the insert bar. Select media and then choose the flash button option from the menu. Select insert media flash button. The insert flash button dialog box appears. Select a style for the button. Type the button text. Select the font and font size. Browse the file linked to the button. Select the target window. You can also change the background color of the window if you wish. After selecting the desired option, click on the apply button that will apply on the web page. If you like the button, click OK. Otherwise, change your selections and click apply again to see how it looks. Finally, click on OK. Thank you.